Hello. My personal information about me. This is me. My name is Johanna Gonzalez, and I'm a single mom. I'm from Floridablanca, Santander. I am 27 years old. I work as a telemarketer in a call center and study in agroforestry engineer at UNAD. I like to writing and dancing in my spare time. I love animals, nature, the sharing weekends and spend time with my family and enjoy good food are my favorite plan. My daily routine. The activities I normally do in my day-to-day are I wake up at 5 in the morning, take a shower and get ready. Then I make breakfast for me and the family and going to the bus station at 7:30 in the morning. I take the bus in the bus to work. I start work at 8:30 a.m. I go out for lunch for an hour and go back to my work. I get done at 6 p.m. We do young work with my daughter from 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. Then we shower and at 9 o'clock and we go to bed. Family. I don't have a large family. Most of them are no longer with me. But this is my little family that I love a lot. In the first photo is my mother looking at my baby who was born after a difficult birth. It is the most memory I ever heard. She's carrying my daughter. In the next photo is my daughter taking soda. She picking fruits. My older sister has a blue blouse and is smiling at the camera and wearing beautiful dress and a nice hairstyle, and I am waiting more